Good evening. A powerful and dangerous storm is upon us, or just about. Storm Ciara is very unusual because it will affect pretty much the whole of the UK. These tightly packed isobars indicate widespread severe gales through the course of Sunday. And on top of that, there's some very wet weather as well. So the Met Office have amber warnings out, which indicates a threat to life and significant disruption for England and Wales for those severe gales. But the likelihood is that could be extended further north, and it'll be very windy for Northern Ireland and for Scotland as well. If that weren't enough, we've also got an amber warning out for parts of southern Scotland, particularly the borders, a couple of rivers concerning here that there could be so much rain on this slow-moving band of rain through the night that it will lead to river flooding and flash flooding. So that's a concern as well. Not just for southern Scotland, though. We have that slow-moving band of rain for Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales too. In fact, most of us will see rain by the end of the night, but those areas could see 40 millimetres plus of rain. So with all the wind, the cloud and the rain, it will be relatively mild away from the north of Scotland with some mountain snow. Now, these are the sorts of gusts of wind we're talking about. These sort of gusts of wind could bring down power lines, blow roof tiles off, cause trees to fall over and certainly branches flying around, hence the risk to life and the risk of quite widespread damage and disruption in places. So let's take the northern half of the UK. As you can see, we clear the rain to start with, then lots of showers following behind, wintry over the hills, hail and thunder, very squally winds, and then that potential escalation through the central lowlands, Argyll and Bute later in the day, possibly 85-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, which will certainly cause widespread disruption. And then across England and Wales, where we have the rain to clear, but it doesn't really clear. We'll just see bands of very squally rain moving through during the course of the day, and those winds escalating to 60 to 80 miles an hour, even inland, really unusual, perhaps a once or twice a decade occurrence. Hence the concern that this is a dangerous storm that's going to cause widespread problems with large waves as well, because it coincides with the spring tide. So it's possible that we could see all sorts of consequences because of this storm. Of course, there are warnings out. The details are on the website. It looks set to stay windy, not as windy to start the week, but cold as well. Bye-bye.